So let's begin. Let's move ahead. So as a business owner, what are our common challenges? क्या हमारे मेजर challenges होते हैं as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as a startup? What are the major challenges that we people face in our business? So here are a few of those challenges, and you can add on to more if you want to. So सबसे पहला चैलेंज तो होता है कि मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग अलोन, द सेल्स, द मार्केटिंग, द क्लाइंट, द फाइनेंस एंड ऑपरेशन, सब कुछ हम ही कर रहे हैं. Yes or no? Second is not able to generate leads. Third is not being able to close the leads. Leads generate भी हो गई तो उनको close कैसे करना? Then not being able to get consistent work, not having belief and self confidence, lack of personal branding, age factor. These are the few of the reasons why challenges that we people face as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. What do you think are more adding on to this? What are the more challenges, other challenges that you think we face as an entrepreneur? What else? Let me know into the comment section. Thank you. So what are the reasons why businesses fail? Research कहता है ना कि almost 90% of the businesses fail in the first 5 years. But why? What is the reason? Why do you think businesses fail in the first year or first 5 years? So we have put this into 4 different categories. So let's have a look on this. So पहला है lack of clarity. Now lack of clarity is into 2 areas. First is business, survival versus growth. कि survival के लिए अभी हम लोग survival mode में हैं, तो उससे बाहर आने के लिए हमको क्या करना है? And second is what are the strategies that we are going to use to grow our business? How many of you can relate to it? Let me know into the comment box. Right? Survival mode के सबसे पहले के growth strategies क्या है, कैसे survival mode से बाहर आए, इन सारी चीजों की हमारे पास clarity नहीं होती. If I ask how many of us have a written business plan for our business, so let me do one thing. I'll just create a poll for this. So this will help right now to identify the gaps. Are you all ready? So I'll just create a poll for all of you. Please let me know. How many of us have a written business plan for the next 2-3 years? And I'm being very specific. Written, 20 more seconds and we'll complete this poll. So as per the survey as of now standing, 68% of the audience doesn't have a written business plan. So as per the survey, हमने यहीं पर ही लिया. One thing we don't have is a clarity of how we are going to do, what we are going to do so that we can grow our business. So that's the thing, that's the lack of clarity. Second is lack of clarity when it comes to money. Money in various options. Like money in terms of necessity कितनी है. Personal बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm not talking about the business right now. Keep your business aside. क्योंकि कल सेल्स की बात करेंगे और सेल्स को किस तरह से कैलकुलेट करना, सेल्स टारगेट किस तरह से देना, उस पर हम लोग साइंटिफिकली मेथड पे बात करेंगे. सो आज हम लोग बात करते हैं नेसेसिटी के ऊपर. सो ये जितनी भी अभी बात कर रहा हूँ मैं अपने पर्सनल बात कर रहा हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर मी टू रन माय फैमिली, व्हाट इज द मिनिमम अमाउंट आई नीड एवरी सिंगल मंथ? नेसेसिटी. सेकंड इज सेविंग्स फॉर द फ्यूचर, फॉर द unexpected, for the medical, blah blah blah. So do I have that amount of savings? So what I want you to do is, everybody is having a pen and paper, everybody is having notepad and pen. So let's do an activity quickly here. Probably you will get a lot of clarity here itself. So पहला है necessity. Write down the amount that you require every single month. Necessity every single month, which includes your rent, खाने पीने का खर्चा, सब कुछ जो necessary है कि ये इसके बिना तो रहा ही नहीं जा सकता. So necessities, school की fees हो गई, all those kind of stuff. What are the necessities? Written? Done with this? Now, once you have written down the amount for the necessity, write down the amount for the savings. So when we talk about savings, so medical के लिए savings, future planning के लिए saving, घर के लिए saving, car के लिए saving, marriage के लिए saving, दूसरी शादी के लिए saving, all this kind of stuff. Okay? So savings.
Ashim bhai, I have a question.
हाँ.
As you talk about savings, so I think there is no limit of saving. We have unlimited willing and intention and needs. So what is the minimum criteria of saving? I don't think saving is a limit.
Okay, so minimum अगर criteria की बात, वैसे तो I don't keep any criteria for that. But अगर criteria की बात करें तो we have बहुत सारी चीजें. For example, we have short term goals, we have mid term goals, we have long term goals. For example, short term के लिए let's say मुझे iPhone खरीदना है. Example, I'm just giving an example.
Yes.
So saving for that. A little long term would be मुझे घर खरीदना है, या अभी घर उससे बड़ा करना है, या ये जो घर इसके ऊपर एक और माला चढ़ाना है, तो उसके लिए सेविंग्स. देन यू वांट टू गो फॉर पिलग्रिमेज, और यू वांट टू हैव एन इंटरनेशनल, थाईलैंड जाना है मे बी फॉर द इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप पॉसिबली. सो those kind of stuff. So what is it that you want? List down those 4, 5, 6, 7 things and create savings. क्या हाँ इसके लिए ये savings, ये savings, ये savings.
Okay, got it.
Baki Nitin will give you a brief idea of how to set goals and how to achieve them. So he is going to take that part of it. So savings हो गया. Then you have the investments. Investment in different various things. Gold के अंदर investment, property के अंदर investments, खुद के लिए training and development के अंदर investments, all those kind of stuff. Investments. So कितने investments आप करेंगे उसका amount. क्या इतना investment amount तो मेरा महीने का at least I should invest on myself first, then others and all those kind of stuff. So this is something that you need to work upon. Then enjoyment. Movie जाना, dinner dates पे जाना, जाना, all those kind of stuff, 14 Feb अभी गया है, so enjoyment and all. Then you have the contribution. क्या how much you want to contribute to the society? What is the contribution that you want to give to the society? So that's something that we need to pinpoint. Done, guys? Great. चलिए, let's move on to the next. So this is something that people want. So research about the dream income. Saurabh Goel did this research and we have received around 4,200 votes. And on an average 61% लोगों का ये कहना है कि उनकी जो सालाना इनकम है कितनी होनी चाहिए, अराउंड कितना फिगर दिख रहा है यहाँ पर,
10 lakh.
It's 10 lakh per month. This is a dream income. How many of we are here on at this level? चलिए ये ठीक है, वो तो 10 लाख है. मैं बोलता हूँ हम में से कितने लोग हैं जो 1 लाख पे है पर मंथ, जो सबसे पहला फिगर है. Let me know into the comment box. And how many of you are interested in generating that kind of income?
Which kind?
हाँ, लाख, 2 लाख, 5 लाख और 10 लाख पर मंथ, चारों फिगर्स में से जो भी फिगर है आप लोग का इमीडिएट गोल. How many of you are interested in generating that much of money? Got it. So दूसरा एक रिसर्च किया, दूसरे एक रिसर्च ने ये कहा कि अगर आपके पास इतना पैसा होता और अगर आपको पैसे के बारे में नहीं सोचना होता तो आप क्या करते? तो पीपल सेड ट्रेवलिंग द वर्ल्ड, फार्मिंग, सोशल वर्क और अदर. तो 65% लोगों ने कहा कि दे वांट टू ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड. सम पीपल वांट टू स्लीप, इट्स ओके, बट 65% of the people said they want to travel the world. How many of you really want to travel the world if you really don't have to worry about the money? Everybody, right? घूमना किसको पसंद नहीं? So what if you can create systems that can help you do exactly what we have been talking about here? How would your life would change? What are the things that will be different from now? Just think about for a moment. वैसे तो नितिन अभी आके बहुत सारा काम करवाने वाले हैं आपसे. His session is going to be his schedule, so he is going to take care of lot of things here and help you gain lot of clarity when it comes to your vision about your business, about your personal life and all those kind of stuff. So पहला था lack of clarity. From 11:30 to 1 p.m. you will have lot of things that will help you get that clarity in your business and in your life. The second is capability. So the lack of capability is all about skill set. So first we will talk about the mindset. The second is all about the skill set. Okay, whether I am capable of doing that or not, whether I am capable of executing that particular thing or not. Correct. So if I am capable of executing those kind of stuff, okay, but if I am not, then I really need to learn it. I need to master it so that I can get to that particular kind of income or freedom that I really want. How many of you can follow through of what I'm saying? So most of the time we all want to scale up, but we lack the capability to scale it up. How many of you agree or relate to what I'm saying here? How many of you do relate to what I'm saying here about the capabilities, the skill set and everything? Let me know into the comment box. Got it, guys? The next one is lack of courage. मैंने इस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में इन्वेस्ट कर दिया तो और रिजल्ट नहीं मिले तो, मैंने ये सिस्टम्स यूज करना चालू कर दिया और रिजल्ट नहीं मिले तो, मैंने टीम को हायर कर लिया पर उन्होंने परफॉर्म नहीं किया तो, मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट ले लिया और इन्वेस्टमेंट ने परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दी तो, मैंने फेसबुक में एड में डाले पर वो एड ने परफॉर्म नहीं किया तो. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन रिलेट टू माय क्वेश्चंस हियर? द लैक ऑफ करेज कि ये नहीं हुआ तो. नाउ लेट मी आस्क यू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इफ यू इन्वेस्टेड एंड इट वर्कड? एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इफ you didn't invest and you stay at the same place? What is more dangerous? To take the courage, to take the risk, a little bit of calculated, right? Of course, that's why we have the strategic planning and the business planning and all this kind of stuff.